Well, hard to believe it's time to wrap up another day here, December the 23rd, 2014. We came in this morning expecting a holiday market. We had support at 65 to 70 and resistance at 75 to 80, and that's pretty much it. Very, very choppy trading. The trade was value area low to value area high. Early on in the session, we got a great setup for short, and it did just produce 3 points. Right here is another sell signal. You don't stop out on that bar, and it produces another winner. This buy right here off the low produces a small winner. This head and shoulders right here, scratch, maybe make a little. This buy right here did produce, but there was a lot of chop in between. So the 3 best trades came early this morning, and you can tell that by the width of the bars. We're going to be lucky to get 750, 800,000 contracts today, so the market's in a holiday mode. But this morning we called for a trading range, basically selling 75s and buying 70s. And that was it, pretty much it for the day. Looking at the F1 screen, it's going to show no selling. The market is still supported. An inside day, so that'll tend to yield a trading range tomorrow. Well, this one has trading range written over it because it's an inside day. Not enough buying to push it higher, not enough selling to push it lower, kind of holding. But we're still dealing with a very, very strong P. And if you had to make a trade at the market on this screen, you'd do it from the long side. Looking at the F2 screen, you can see that volume is holding. Volume is moving higher through time. We have a P pattern right here, so the trade's going to be the same. Sell failure to take out 70 to 79, 75 to 79. Then 84, 86 will be sell 2. On the buy side, I will leave it 65, 67. May have to pay 70s, don't know. Very, very quiet trading, but this will be buy 1, and buy 2 will be 60 to 62. If I were going to do the most damage psychologically to the trader's mindset, I would take the market lower tomorrow, finish it on its lows tomorrow, let them think that we might not get a rally into Christmas Eve, then take it up on Wednesday. That's how I would play it if I were going to mess with somebody's mind. Okay, looking at the note, tomorrow's the 5-year auction. The pattern has been 3 higher prices. Not every time, but that's pretty consistent to the auction. Got an inside day here. That's got trading range written on this one. So trading range right here, we got a B. So in a little bit longer term, we got a B. These last 5 days, right? So trading range is what the F1 says here. Everybody's thinking about buttoning up for Christmas. Nobody's thinking about getting short the market or putting new positions on. Everybody will be hedged over the New Year. So you can see that volume is moving up in the distributions, and we've got a P. Last trade was 21.5. We have been down to 17.5. So 14 to 18 will be buy 1. Going to sell failure to take out 24, 28. And 31 to 03. And buy 2 will be in the 5 to 9 area. I think we bust 12. We can go a little bit lower, but I don't see what it can take to get down there. Okay, we do have a lot of news tomorrow that can. So the biggest focus would be durable orders. plus 2.7. That would be supportive for the indexes. Not so for the financials. X transportation, plus 1. That would be more in line with weakening economic growth. GDP third, 4.3. This is old news, so it probably will not play. Deflator, plus 1.4. No one will pay any attention to that because the Fed's not raising interest rates to fight inflation. Personal income and personal spending, plus 0.5. Core, the usual default, plus 0.1. Michigan sentiment, 93.8, 93.8.
Biggest discounts of the year. Lease a 2014 Camry for only $199. All Camrys must go. It's Toyotathon. Lease a 2014 RAV4 for only $199.
New home sales.
All RAV4s must go. It's Toyotathon. Lease a 2014 Tundra for only $219. All Tundras must go. It's Toyotathon. The best time of the year to buy
really,
is
really,
now.
really easily change
Toyotathon is on.
Make it look a lot bigger than it is. And that's it for the news. So number 1 will be durable orders, X transportation. Number 2 will be personal spending. 3, Michigan sentiment. And 4, new home sales. Getting all this news and stuff out of the way so they can enjoy their vacation and not have to worry about putting out reports. Okay, the 30-year, probably a pretty quiet day tomorrow. Don't see anybody other than being long or short.
All Camrys must
paper.
go. It's Toyotathon. Lease a 2014 RAV4 for only $199. All RAV4s
Had a pretty good
must
close.
go. It's Toyotathon.
It's indicative
Lease a
of perhaps a
2014
good
Tundra for only
auction
$219. All Tundras must
tomorrow.
go.
We're going to
It's
sell Ferrari to take out
Toyotathon. The best time of the year to
24,
buy
28.
is now at Eddie's Toyota. Toyotathon is on.
31 to 03 will be S2. On the buy side, last rotate down was 11, then we broke it out from 15. We're currently at 20, so got this ledge right here that's low at 13, so we'll make 12 to 16 buy 1. No good stops below 16. And then we'll take it down to the bottom, 1 to 5 for buy 2. If the market's going to be good, we probably have to pay up to get in. Okay, gold got whacked. That went out at 11.75. Heavy sell.
All Camrys must go. It's Toyotathon. Lease a 2014 RAV4 for only $199. All
And looking at
RAV4s
this
must
picture,
go.
we've got some
It's
support down here in the
Toyotathon.
65, 68 area. We're at 71. No reason not to think we're going to get there. The breaks at 58.
The best time of the year to buy is now at Eddie's Toyota. Toyotathon is on.
We took out this 82, that X over there, pretty much straight down to support. So looking at our F2 screen, definitely a sell coming off of that chart. Okay, 65, 67 buy 1, 59, 61 buy 2. Not too interested in the long side. 75, 77, sell 1. And then 80, 82, sell 2.
Hey everybody, are you ready to ride? Toyotathon is on at Eddie's Toyota. Get the biggest
Okay, the
discounts of
Bloomberg
the
Commodity
year.
Index,
Lease a
Goldman
2014 Camry for
Commodity
only
Indexes
$199.
are
All
as low
Camrys
as
must
they've been
go.
since
It's Toyotathon. Lease a 2014 RAV4 for only $199.
and are
All
pointed lower.
RAV4s must go. It's
That's
Toyotathon. Lease a 2014
good
Tundra
deal
for only
for
$219.
manufacturers
All Tundras
because
must
they can
go.
buy cheaper,
It's
assuming that they have the
Toyotathon. The best time of the year to
corresponding
buy is now at Eddie's Toyota.
demand
Toyotathon
to go
is
with
on.
these lower prices that they'll be able to work. That's what's at issue. There is a recession coming to the oil patch. There's no way to get around it. Rigs are being laid up. Oil field services will be cut back, cut down. The market suffered from banks pouring tons of money into it. And everybody gets busy and does the same thing. And all of a sudden, they're talking about having $800+ billion committed to the oil industry in loans for fracking and the rest of it. So that's a lot of loot. Isn't it funny how all these things come? $1.2 trillion here for student loans, 1.2 on automobile loans, 800 billion on loans to the oil industry, most of it for fracking. Banks, they all jump on the same side of the market. They all make loans to the same people. They can't make them fast enough because if one gets in trouble, if the industry gets in trouble, they can't get rid of all the banks. That's from the regulation side. So right here, looking at where London has been is 54.50. And a quarter should be pretty good support, but we got to get through 55 to get there. So 55, then it gets stopped below 55 will be buy one. Really don't like the long side of this market. And buy two will make 54, 54 and a quarter. It stops down here. On the sell side, we'll make a 50. It's very, very aggressive. 55.50, 55.75, sell one. And then 56, 56 and a quarter, sell two. Crude can trade. Gold really worked up pretty well.
Hey everybody, are you ready to ride?
In spite of a very slow start. Got nailed.
Discounts of the year. Lease a 2014 Camry for only $199. All Camrys
Crude
must
is a more
go.
consistent
It's
performer. It gives us that
Lease a
volatility.
2014 RAV4
Gold
for
some days
only
can die.
$199. All RAV4s must go. It's
And it's hard to know
Toyotathon.
which
Lease
day
a
that's
2014
going to be.
Tundra for only $219. All Tundras must go. It's Toyotathon. The best time of the year
And
to buy
last but
is
not least,
now
the
at
euro.
Eddie's
The
Toyota.
euro,
Toyotathon is on.
I think, has moved into a very, very quiet period after Christmas. Kind of like the month of August. So many people will be on vacation, but we just made a new contract low. We like the short side of the market. We have been on the short side of the market since the first part of summer. So here we are. We finished on the lows. How low will it go? Well, we got our 122 even. So 22 even is going to bring in some short covering, plus or minus 5. So we'll play for 122 even, then we'll go for 21.75. Maybe 85 by 2. It is aggressive, 40 to 50. And then we're back up to our 70 to 80 where we were this morning, which turned out to be a pretty good trade. Took forever to develop, but eventually it did. And that's it for December the 22nd, 2014. I will see you all bright and early tomorrow morning, 6:45 a.m. Central. In the meantime, y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.